Hello and welcome back to another video in our Property Now video tutorial series where we answer all of your burning questions about selling and leasing your own home. Today we're going to be providing you with some tips and tricks before running your very first open home. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure your home is clean, tidy and presentable. This means doing a clean of the interior as well as taking care of the exterior of your home, making sure your gardens are well maintained, that the outside, back and front are nice and clean and presentable for your buyers. As well as doing a really good clean inside, it's also advisable to take care of any clutter, any dust collectors, and pack them away. The same thing goes for any really personal items. For example, if you have a lot of photos around of your family or friends or anything really personal, you want to pop those away. The idea is for the buyers to be able to see themselves in their home, and if the home is filled with so much of you, so many personal items, it might be more difficult for them to do that. You also want to make sure you put away any items that belong to your pets. We all love our furry friends, our cats, our dogs, our birds, but it can be off-putting to buyers, especially if there's any odors that go along with those items. That's another thing you want to be aware of when it comes to running your open homes. It's a really good idea to make sure the home is smelling really good and fresh. Opening any windows and letting any fresh air come through is going to benefit you. This leads us to the next point, which is lighting. It is really good to have some beautiful natural light in your home. Not all homes are going to have this possibility, but if you do have this option available to you, we recommend opening curtains, opening blinds, letting some fresh air in, and also ensuring that there's that beautiful natural light throughout the home. Before running your first open home, we recommend sorting out any little maintenance issues with the property. For example, leaking taps or paint chips in the walls that may draw the buyer's attention. Another little tip for your open homes is having some fresh flowers or some plants that brighten up the home, or having something that smells really good. The old trick of putting some cookies in the oven is a really good one to use. Lastly, make sure you have an open home sign-in sheet. You can find one of these within your Property Now account on the left-hand side under Forms and Downloads. We hope this has been informative and helpful for you, and if you have any other questions, please get in touch. Wishing you a successful sales and leasing experience.